YouTube, it's Satch. Welcome to Driver 81. Today is the day of the 70th anniversary of the Porsche brand, the Porsche model. The first vehicle was the 356, which was released 70 years ago today. So to mark the occasion, we've been invited down to Porsche Centre Teeside to have a 70th year anniversary celebration. So what they've asked me to do is bring my yellow 997 Carrera 4S down to the show. They want me to display the car. Let's hope they've got a kettle on. And first of all, we're going to meet at a service station. So let's get down to the services and then we'll head on to Porsche Centre Teeside for the 70th anniversary. Okay, enough of this. Let's take a closer look at some cars. Beautiful 993 Turbo Speed Rough Yellow. 996 GT3. Hopefully going to be driving that one home. Beautiful 997 GT3 RS. Well, that one's just a piece of How about this beautiful 964, fully restored.
That would go down well.
This is Nick's new track day toy. It's a Westfield with a 1.3 litre Hayabusa engine. It's a track day monster and I'm dying to get out of this.
Yeah, they're good, aren't they? They vibrate like it functions about as much.
Okay, so now I'm going to move on to Keith's stunning 996 GT3. The 996 GT3 belongs to Keith, who is a serial Porsche nut and all-round nice guy.
What's
GT3 is a high-performance version of the Porsche 911. This is a 996.2 with 381 brake horsepower in Arctic Silver, and it shifts like a Japanese bullet train. I love driving this car because you can actually feel everything that's going on. It's such a mechanical car and it has no electronic systems coming in to assist your driving or spoil the fun. This is what pure driving is all about. Long live the GT3.